Unlock the ultimate travel experiences by learning how to master your Marriott Bonvoy points right from your phone. First things first, make sure you've downloaded the Marriott Bonvoy app and logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your current point balance clearly displayed on the main dashboard. Think of this as your travel currency, ready to be put to work. To start redeeming, tap on the Rewards or Redeem section, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or within the main menu. This is where all the magic happens for maximizing your Bonvoy journey. The most popular way to use your points is for hotel stays. Simply initiate a hotel search as usual, selecting your destination and dates. Crucially, look for the toggle or checkbox that says Use Points or Pay with Points. This will automatically show you available rooms and their point redemption rates. But Bonvoy points offer so much more than just hotel nights. Explore the Experiences tab. Here you can bid or directly book unique activities, from concert tickets and culinary tour to sporting events, all using your hard-earned points. You can also head over to the shop section. This is fantastic for redeeming points on a wide array of merchandise, gift cards, or even airline miles, giving you flexibility beyond just travel. Remember, the value of your points can fluctuate, so always compare the cash price with the points passed for each redemption option. Sometimes you'll get better value for travel, and other times a unique experience might be the perfect way to spend them. So dive into the Marriott Bonvoy app, explore these redemption options, and start turning your points into unforgettable memories. Happy redeeming!